sunny Monday morning, Dad was ready for his very first work from home video call. He sat at his desk, adjusting his tie and trying to look very serious. "This is important, Leo," Dad said, smoothing his hair. "No interruptions." Leo, a spirited 5-year-old, nodded with wide, innocent eyes. He was busy building a magnificent tower of blocks in the living room. Dad's video call started, and he greeted his boss, Mr. Henderson, with a professional smile. "Good morning, sir." Suddenly, a tiny fluffy orange cat, Mr. Putter, decided it was the perfect time for a nap, right on Dad's keyboard. Dad gasped, trying to gently shoo Mr. Putter away without being seen on camera. It was a silent, furry battle. Mr. Putter, with a playful swat, managed to change Dad's virtual background to a field of dancing bananas. Mr. Henderson on the screen raised an eyebrow. "Interesting background. Mark." Dad's face turned a little red. "Just a creative choice, sir." Just then, Leo, proud of his block tower, decided to bring Dad a present. He entered the office holding a toy dinosaur. "Look, Dad, a T-Rex!" Leo exclaimed, holding the dinosaur right up to the webcam. The giant plastic T-Rex filled the screen, roaring silently at Mr. Henderson. Dad tried to whisper, "Not now, Leo," but it was too late. Mr. Henderson looked rather surprised. Then, a loud crash came from the living room. Leo's magnificent block tower had tumbled down. Leo's eyes welled up. "My tower!" he cried, rushing out of the office. Dad quickly excused himself, muttering, "Just a minor tremor, sir," and dashed to help Leo. When Dad returned to his call, Mr. Henderson was trying hard not to laugh. "Everything all right, Mark?" Dad sighed, running a hand through his hair. "Just another peaceful day of remote work, sir." Leo, now with a band-aid on his finger, from a brave block rescue, peeked in. Mr. Putter, unfazed, was now napping on Dad's chair. Dad realized that working from home with a curious kid and a mischievous cat was an adventure all its own. He smiled,